Okay guys, after nearly a year, I'm finally back. As many of you guys would have seen, I did put a community post out telling all of you I was returning to YouTube. And now today is finally the day I am returning as I promised. Many of you have got a lot of answers and questions for me about where I've been, and all of that will be answered in this video as to where I've been and what has actually been happening. You can see the cars are still here, they haven't gone anywhere, but a lot has changed in the time I've been gone. And I just want to say that the majority of this stuff was done back in May, but I've actually took time out for myself because it was a big process, and obviously I needed to get my mind focused and ready to come back to YouTube after everything obviously I went through to get where I am today. So let's get onto this video and I'll show you what you guys have been waiting for.
What? Goddamn, get it done, will ya? Woo! When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know.
So yes guys, this is it. This is my shop. Many of you didn't believe me when I said I was building this great big building right here. A lot of you actually laughed and said to me that I would always be in the tent. But this has what the last 10 months have led to. And this didn't take 10 months to actually build, this took about 2 months. I'll be honest with you, the majority of the work was actually inside, and the majority of the work was building the road to come down to this building. And obviously a lot of planning, a lot of building regulations were involved at the time of building this because of the size it actually is. Now, if many of you guys don't know, I've actually got a whole road, which is about 80 meters long, coming down to the shop. And then I've got a big parking area here, as you guys would have just seen, with the BMWs sitting right there. This is a big parking area. It's about 30 by 30, the parking area itself. And obviously the road's about 80 meters. Now the shop behind me, many of you are probably asking what size this is. This is a 38 by 24 garage. Now, obviously, I will go through the whole build process on another video, but yes, it is very big. Coming from a 10 by 8 garage, I now have a fully adapted garage with probably everything I ever need, as you would find in a normal independent BMW specialist or anywhere like that. This garage is fully running with everything that's needed inside it. Many people didn't believe this was going to happen. Many people laughed at it, but it has actually happened. So now I'm going to take you inside so I can show you everything that I've been doing in the last 10 months while you guys have been waiting patiently for my return. Okay guys, welcome to my new workshop, and as you see, everything is laid out and fully functioning. Many of you will be asking me, if this has been up since May, why didn't I come back to YouTube? Well, the truth of it is I chose to take time off to actually do other things as well as this workshop, and obviously have a break from YouTube. Many of you will know, since I started YouTube in 2 years, I did not stop. I was posting videos nearly every single day, every week without fail. I needed to take a break, and I think it was well deserved, just like every other YouTuber can and will do when they need to. But based on that, I have come back now and I'm ready to start posting videos again. We've got the shop fully set up now, the way I wanted it to. Many of you probably not believe that I've managed to actually do this, but yes, we have the 2-post lift as well. I have all my tools fully set up the way they should be. I've also got a dedicated test bench area for when we do the membership videos. That's going to be a separate area for members only, which we'll use. We've also got all this side, which is for the main channel. So now I'll go ahead and show you around the shop, but you'll see everything is fully laid out. We have everything in here ready to go when we do our videos. So as you can see here guys, this is the 2-post lift we've got, and yes, it's fully functioning, fully working, and it's already been in use more than enough times than I can even remember. This has all been installed since probably June, and we've been using the lift up and down with cars from my neighbors that have been asking me to repair my cars. We've also had the M5 on here. I've tested every single car I can on here, and it's absolutely been faultless. The lift itself is absolutely brilliant. It does what I need to do, and it saves me now having to work on the floor or do anything with a car jack and axle stands. It is really a lifesaver having this car lift. I've been able to drop subframes, I've been able to drop gearboxes already using this lift, and it's been absolutely phenomenal. I'm very, very happy the shop's come out the way it has. You can probably see on the back wall all the Makita tools right here. Everything is in position now, ready to go. The shop is fully done. Everything is waiting on us to do our next video. Many of you are probably asking me what's going to be the next video. Well, the next video is going to be regarding the black BMW E60. We're going to be restoring that and bringing that one back. Many of you probably realised about the control arms. I actually did all them. The control arms were done on the black E60, but now we've got to do new brakes, pads, new lights, get it all fully functioning again and get that car back on the road, because at the moment it's been very, very badly neglected and it's just been left outside for the last 10 months, which we need to restore it and bring it back to life so it can be drivable again. So I hope you guys have actually enjoyed the tour of this workshop. Obviously, it was a small tour, and obviously as we go on, you'll see more and more as we go using the workshop and as I do more and more videos. But thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will be doing another video revealing the new car I've actually purchased as well, which was an unexpected purchase, and I'll explain why in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and goodbye.